Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to see the application of Firebase and its implementation in Android. So we start with a new project, start with empty views activity. You can name it anything. Let's call it Firebase test. Everything else is fine. We will select Java as our primary language. So just hit finish and allow the project to be built. Okay, our project is built. So we're going to remove some things here. Remove this for now. Remove this from our main activity, and we'll just have this as our code. We'll first implement Firebase authentication here. So let's go to our UI and let's actually create two different activities in the scenario, one for login and another for sign up. So let's start with a Java class, or let's just create an activity directly, empty views activity. Let's call this login activity. There will be a layout file, and this will be our launcher activity. Finish. And also create another activity called register activity. This activity, we'll call this register activity, and just hit on finish. Also remember to remove this part from your activity code. I'll explain what these are in some later videos, but will not go into it right now. We'll go to our register activity or login activity first. We'll create a basic UI for sign in. So let's hit layout, width, match parent, height, match parent. Also an orientation which is vertical. Will not work on the very fancy part of a UI, but just the basic UI that will help us test this functionality. So first of all, we'll keep an edit text. Its layout width will be match parent. Layout height will be content. We'll provide a hint asking user for the email. We'll also provide an ID @ ID et email, and just close this. Let's do something else. Let's also work out margin on all the sides. Let's write down 10 dp. Should look good. Also let's keep everything in the center for now, so it should be gravity, I guess. Center vertical. Yeah. I'll repeat one more edit text here. This will be for password. So et password, and we'll have a button. Let's also keep a margin below this. So margin bottom will be 10 dp. Also we'll have a margin around this, so margin bottom will be another 10 dp, and we'll have a button which will be wrap content. ID will be btn login. Its gravity, I think it should be layout gravity will be center horizontal. Yeah. Text login, this should be good. Also keep a margin bottom for now, so margin bottom will be again 10 dp. We'll have one more text view. This can be match parent or just be wrap content text, new user. Will keep its layout gravity in center again, point it to center. Layout gravity center, horizontal. Increase its font size, text size. Let's write it down to TP. Okay, a bit bigger, yeah, but it's fine. Now we will close this and we'll have another button. I can just copy this button from up here, and this button is going to say register. So btn register. I'll have register as its component. Also, there will be a margin, bottom 10 dp. So yeah, our sign in UI looks good. Now we'll do the same in case of our sign up. So I'll just copy these out, go to activity register, go to the UI, just paste it out. Let's see the preview. So I don't need these two, or let's just remove it like this. I don't need the login button and the text view below. So I just need a single button that says register. Okay, so where do we start? We start with our login activity first. So we have to edit text, email, password, and also a button, sorry, two buttons, one for login and one for register. And then we also have to initialize these empty objects here. So id.et email, also password equals to find by id r.id.et password. Why is it showing an error? I think it's not synchronized. Okay, we also have a login button. Login equals to find by id r.id.btn login. Register equals to find by id r.id.btn register. Also, we can set quicks to two of these objects. Login dot set on click listener, fine, and also one for register. Yeah, now I would like to start an intent from here, from our register window or register button. So start activity, new intent, we are at login activity dot this, and we're trying to go to register activity dot class. We already have these defined, so this should be good for us. Let's also go to register activity. We again have to edit text, email, and password. Also a single button called register. Now login initialize this empty objects, find the id r.id.et email, password equal to find the id r.id.et password, and a register button, register equals to find the id r.id.btn register. Let's see if we did do this for register and login. Yeah, now just set a single click, register dot set on click listener, okay. Now our prerequisites for our Firebase authentication is ready. We can just continue on this. One thing I'd like to add here is add something to our manifest. So just add users permission, internet, and we should be done. So I'm closing this video for now. In the upcoming video, we'll set up our Firebase project and then continue our application from there. So stay tuned for next video.